In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Sienna key fob to replace the internal battery at home. There are a couple different versions of this device, so you may have one that has 3 buttons, 4 buttons. I've got the 6-button version here. All of these little oval shaped Toyota Sienna key fobs are the same. They use the same battery, and the process to open them up is the same. So just follow along. It's a very easy process, but you will need one of these CR2032 batteries. If you don't know where to get those, or you'd like to get one online, I will leave a link down in the description so you can get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. And the other thing you will need is a regular flathead screwdriver. The first step is just to look at the bottom here where this key ring attaches. You can see there's a little slot in the plastic there. You're going to insert your flathead screwdriver in and twist the screwdriver. And better to actually do this facing this way, the back side up. Go ahead and twist, because now when we lift this off, this little rubber component will not fall out, and the battery will be right there for us to access. So once you can see the battery there, we just push it out with our thumb and then lift it out with our fingers. It is very easy. Once again, this is a CR2032 battery. If you don't know where to get that, check the link in the description, and make sure when you're putting your new battery in there to put the positive side face up. So you just slide it in and you make sure that that plus sign is facing up. All we have to do now is click the back on there, and we are finished and good to go. I hope that was pretty simple for you, and I hope that helped you out. If it did, feel free to let me know down in the comments. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, we've got videos here on YouTube for pretty much every device from every maker model. So you can always check those out, or visit us over at our website, fobbattery.com.